Today we will learn about Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software developed by Microsoft. It comes as an integral part of Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create and display beautiful presentations that include text, pictures, charts, diagrams, audio, video, and animated special effects. Let us first talk about presentation. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays the information along with graphics, sound, and animation. Slide. A slide is like a page of a PowerPoint presentation that displays some information about a brief topic. Students note that to view the presentation of a particular slide, open that slide and press Shift plus F5 key combination. How is a presentation helpful? A PowerPoint presentation is widely used to effectively present views and ideas. People in the business world use it to present information about their products or company in seminars and meetings. Teachers can use presentations to prepare their lesson plans. Using PowerPoint presentation, you can create a visual impact on the audience. Now let us understand how to start Microsoft PowerPoint. To start Microsoft PowerPoint, follow the given steps. Number 1. Click on Start button. Number 2. Choose all programs. Number 3. Click on Microsoft Office. Number 4. Select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. On starting Microsoft PowerPoint, a blank presentation named Presentation 1 appears on the screen. File tab, Quick Access Toolbar, Tabs, Ribbon, Outline tab, Slides tab, Groups, Placeholders, Slides pane, Notes pane, Status bar, Zoom slider. Students note that to create a shortcut for Microsoft PowerPoint, drag its icon from the Start menu to the desktop. Now let us understand the components of Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint consists of the following components. Title bar. It displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the frequently used commands. You can place this toolbar either above or below the ribbon. To do so, click on the drop-down arrow at the end of the toolbar and select Show Below the Ribbon option. To add items to the Quick Access toolbar, right-click on any item on the ribbon and click on Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Ribbon. The ribbon is placed at the top area of the document. It displays several tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, etc. Each tab contains commands which are organized into different groups. Let us have a quick quiz. Where do you find the ribbon? File tab. The Office button of Microsoft Office 2007 has been replaced by the File tab. This menu allows us to create a new presentation, open an existing presentation, save, print, send, or close the presentation. Slides pane. It is located in the middle of the window where you can work directly on the individual slides. Slides tab. It shows a thumbnail version of each slide. If you want to see the large view of any thumbnail, click on it. The selected slide appears in the Slides pane. You can add, delete, duplicate, and rearrange slides in the Slides tab. Let us know more. A slide layout refers to the general arrangements of various components on the slide. Outline tab. The Outline tab displays the text content of each slide. You can edit your text directly in the Outline view. Notes pane. In the Notes pane, you can type your personal notes about the current slide. Students note that by pressing the Alt key displays the shortcut key for each tab. To further open any particular tab and its commands, press the Alt key along with the specific shortcut key. For example, Alt plus H key combination opens the Home tab. Let us understand the steps of creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow the given steps. Click on the File tab, then go to New option. The available templates and themes pane appears. Choose the blank presentation option. Click on Create button or simply double-click the blank presentation option. A new presentation with a blank slide will open in the PowerPoint screen. The default slide that appears when you create a new presentation is titled Slide Layout, which displays the dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. To add a new slide, click on the New Slide button on the Home tab. To change the layout of active slide, click on the Layout button and select the desired layout from the list. Students note that the shortcut to create a new presentation is Ctrl plus N key combination. Students, let us understand how to add text into a placeholder. To add text inside the placeholder, follow these steps. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. The cursor appears in the text box. Type Computer Department. Click inside the Click to Add Subtitle placeholder. Type Learning with Fun. You will notice the entered text appears on the slide. Students note that placeholders are the dotted or H-marked borders that are part of most slide layouts. These boxes can contain title and body text or objects such as charts, tables, pictures, etc. Now let us talk about saving a presentation. It is important to save your work at regular intervals so as to avoid data loss because of any hardware or power failure. Follow these steps to save a presentation. Click on the Save button or select the File tab. Go to Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Specify the name My Presentation in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. The presentation will be saved with the name My Presentation and with an extension .pptx. Students note we can also save our presentation using Ctrl plus S key combination. Students, F5 is a shortcut key to run a presentation. Now let us talk about closing and exiting the presentation. Closing a presentation. Click on the File tab, then go to Close option. The presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. Exiting a presentation. To close or exit PowerPoint application, click on the Close button on the title bar or click on the File tab and select the Exit option. The Microsoft PowerPoint application will be closed. Now let us talk about opening a presentation. There are three ways to open an existing presentation as shown below. Number 1, click on the File tab, then go to Open option. Number 2, click on the Open button on the Quick Access toolbar. Number 3, click on the Open a PowerPoint file option in Reuse Slides pane. Using method 1 and 2, the Open dialog box will appear. Select any file, example, Activities of the month as shown in the figure. Click on the Open button. Using method 3, the Browse dialog box will appear. Select the file and click on the Open button. Now let us talk about adding a new slide. While creating a presentation, we may need to insert new slides in it. We can add any number of slides as per the need. Whenever we add a new slide in our presentation, we must select its layout first. Open an existing presentation, example My Presentation. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the New Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab. A list of available slide layouts is displayed. Click on the desired layout. PowerPoint will add a new slide with the selected layout in the center of the PowerPoint window. The new slide can also be seen in the Slides tab on the left. Students note that to insert a new slide, press Ctrl plus M key combination. Now let us talk about adding pictures to the title and content slide. Insert a title and content slide to the presentation. Click on the Insert tab and select the Picture option from the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Choose the folder where the picture is stored. Select the picture by clicking it or by typing the file name. Click on the Insert button. The picture will appear on the slide. Students know that to resize a picture, click on the corner sizing handles. While holding down the mouse button, drag the sizing handle as per your need and release the mouse button. Okay students, let us talk about Slideshow. Microsoft PowerPoint provides the option of combining all the slides of a presentation into a slideshow. It is just like the pictures in a photo album. It displays all the slides in the presentation one by one on the screen. To run a slideshow, follow the steps given below. Click on the Slideshow tab and select either of the following options in the Start Slideshow group. From Beginning, starts the slideshow from the first slide. From Current Slide, starts the slideshow from the current slide. Custom Slideshow, it displays only the slides you select. Broadcast Slideshow, this feature broadcasts the slideshow to remote viewers who can watch it through web browser. Students note that the Broadcast Slideshow feature requires a network service to host the slideshow. You can send the link URL of your presentation to your audience by an email. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays information along with graphics, sound, and animation. A slide is like a page of a PowerPoint presentation that displays some information related to the topic. The Slides tab shows a thumbnail version of each slide shown in the Slides pane. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 saves a file with an extension .pptx. We can press F5 to view the slideshow.